Hello, boys and girls. Look, I have got a heart. Do you remember? I made it in the forest. Oh, hello. Hello. How are you? I am good. Oh, wow, a heart. Give me, please. No, it's my heart. Would you like to make your own heart? Yes! Ba 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 ba. Look, I have got a lot of hearts. Oh, wow! Let's open. Let's open. 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 Ba 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 ba. Ding, ding. Oh. Pew. Open, open, open. What have you got? Wow! A girl and a boy. Look. Press. No, I can't. I can help you. Let's press together. No. Would you like to hit? Yes. Oh, look, look, look. It's working. This heart is bigger, bigger. I want this heart. Wait. I want this heart. Wait. Look, it's amazing heart. I like it. And this heart is very cold now. Look, Snake, you have got a wonderful heart. Hooray! Thank you. This is yours. Thank you. Bye. Hello, little pig. Oh, I like this heart. Thank you. Little pig, this is my heart. Would you like to make your own? Yes, I can help you. Okay. Hands and heart. Do you like this heart? Yes. Wonderful. Let's open. Look. What happens if we won't open? I don't know. Can you press? Let's press. Can you hit? Yes, try. Oh, look. We're waiting. Here, open. I can open. Papa, I have got a wonderful heart with a butterfly on the pink background. I like this heart. Look, this heart is like you, pink. Yeah, I like this heart. Give me, please. Here you are. But you have to shake. Okay. And like this. Is it cold? Yes? Look. This is heart for you. Hooray! Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Little pig, you're so funny. Bye. Goodbye. Hello. Who are you? I'm a crocodile and I'm very hungry. No. Don't bite me. I'm hungry. I want to eat this heart. I'm full. No, don't eat. But I want the heart. No, don't bite. Okay? Okay, but I want the heart. Choose one. You can make it. You have to press. This one. Can you bite? Okay, I'll try. Would you like to hit again? Okay. No, it doesn't work. You have to jump, okay? Little crocodile, can you jump?
Yes, I can jump. Jump, jump, jump. Look.
Bim, bim. Bim, bim. Bim, bim.
Where is my heart?
Here.
Open, open, open.
No, we have to wait.
Okay.
Little heart, where are you? Little heart. Little heart, where are you? We want to meet you. We are waiting, and
Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Look, here is a hole. Empty. Where is my heart? Flies away. What a heart. This is a heart, but this heart is damaged a little.
can you see something? I'm afraid a little. I don't know what inside of this heart.
Look. I don't know what is it.
It's very cold.
Don't cry.
We're making another one, okay?
Okay.
Look, a black heart. Can you jump? One more. This is my heart. Okay, take it and stick for you. Little crocodile, do you like this heart? Yes, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Shoo. Happy Valentine's Day. Goodbye. Wow, little spider. Hello. Hello. I want a heart. No, this is my heart, but it's very nice heart. I can jump on it. I can climb on it. No, this is my heart. Would you like to make? Yes. Which one would you like? I want 3. Okay, let's jump on our hearts. Are you ready? I can help you. Spider, I am a little scary. What the matter? Ah. We are waiting. We are waiting. Waiting. My hearts. I can here hit this and it doesn't work. You know they're a little dangerous. I like this heart, but What's the matter? Heart, where are you? Heart.
Another heart. It's very cold. Do you like this heart? Little heart, how are you?
I don't know. Look, do you like this heart? Yeah, I like this heart. You have got 2 hearts, and these hearts are for you.
But I want this.
Okay, we are waiting. It's moving. I wish you amazing Valentine's Day. I wish you a lot of love. How can I open this heart? What should I do? It's working. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon.
I love you in the evening and underneath the moon.
Wait, look inside. Some liquid and it's all. Whew, I think these hearts are dangerous and funny. Would you like one more? No. I would like 2. Okay, here you are. Little spider, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, thank you, thank you. Give me please my hearts. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye bye. I have got another friend. Hello, little friend. Hello. Are you a cat? Yes, I am a cat. Okay. Hello, little cat. You're very funny. Would you like a heart? Would you like a heart? Yes! Ah.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this, and now I've got a heart. Or another way, I put my hands together and thumbs like this, yeah? I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this, and now I've got a heart. Hearts, how are you? I have got a heart. I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this, and now I've got a heart. I have got another heart. I couldn't press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. I couldn't press this heart yesterday, and let's open and just see what's inside. 3 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. Look, I am opening this. What is it? Ah, it's broken heart. Flour and liquid. It's cold. It's cold. I don't want to taste this. No, I don't want. Okay, nothing interesting. I put my hands together. This is how I start. I bring my fingers down like this, and now I've got a heart. It's broken heart with a butterfly.
Bye bye bye, little heart.
I love you when I tell you no. And when I say, all right. I love you when I am mad at you and when I hug you tight. Papa, wow. Yeah, it's a very good heart. Look. Are you sleepy, little heart? Now almost ready. Yeah. Be quiet. Look, 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 look. More, a little more. It's working. Ah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. No. I have got a very nice heart. Yeah. 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts.
I would like to give you 3 hearts. Okay, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Take it. Bye bye bye.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to write me in the comment what inside of my heart.
I love you in the morning.